What's up guys, so welcome to another Wrangler. So what I'm doing today is actually replacing my rear track bar on both sides. Simple, it's the exact same on each side. So here's my new one. Got a brand new beautiful bushing, upgraded screen version from Mevotech versus the Mopar junk version that is basically falling apart. So basically all you're gonna need for this, it's really simple. You're gonna need to take the tire off. It makes it a lot easier. You can try without taking it off, but I suggest taking it off because I tried without and wasted time. But then you're gonna need a 14 mil socket and a 16 mil socket, and also a 14 mil wrench and a 16 mil wrench, just to make it a bit easier for you. And then you're gonna take the 14 mil, you're gonna put it on the actual Torx screw that's there, that will fit on that one perfectly. And then your 16 will go on the actual nut that comes off. And then what you do is just break free. And then when you do, once I get it out, I'll show you the rest of it. But really, it's quite simple. Okay, so I don't know if it's just me because I have my lift, but I can't get the actual bolt out at the top part of the track bar. See right there? You guys probably saw nothing in that time lapse. But yeah, that track bar right there. I'm having issues with getting the actual bolt out, so I'm gonna have to take off the actual track bar mount. So that is just a 17 mil socket. Luckily it's not too bad, so I'll be able to get it off. And I'll get the new track bar all assembled, put it back in, and then it'll be golden. Only the driver's side mount comes off because of the fuel tank is in the way. Okay. Oh yeah, forgot that was my spacer lift. I gotta remember how that goes back. Okay. So now I can pull this fully out, take off my track bar mount. Yeah, I'd say that's done. I'd say that was needed to be replaced a while ago. Okay. So now I'm going to get the new one, and I'll show you what that guy looks like. Okay, so here's the old track bar mount, just rotted garbage. What do you expect? Pretty sure this is the new one. Let's see. Say which one side switch. Does not say which side switch, thanks. Real helpful. So this goes in like this. So this is the wrong side. Put that back in the box. That keeps it safe, maybe. Holy crap. This should be the right one. Alright. So. This. Yes. So here's a new one. If you look at it, solid piece. Solid piece. So what we're gonna do, we're going to take this right here, our track bar mount. We're gonna put it over our track bar. We're gonna put our bolt through. Sorry, that was not. Put our bolt through the track bar mount itself. And we're gonna take the nut that was originally on that one, put it back on. Actually no, can't tighten it yet. Don't tighten it until you get it fully on the vehicle, and then you can tighten it. Yeah, that's what I've been told. Yeah. So I'm gonna get this put back on, and then I'm gonna go and get the bottom part put on, and I'll show you guys that too. I ended up using my foot and pushing forward on my spacer to line up the actual bolt with the hole. And that's right. I got it on. Now, you just tighten everything up. I'll put the torque specs at the end like I always do. And yes, I hope this makes it easy for you, because I'm only going to show you the one side because I don't need to show you the other side. So again, 14 mil, 16 mil, 17 mil for the brackets. Take off your tire, Bob's your uncle. Very bing bang boom, done. All right guys, so now you know how to change out your track bars. If you have any other questions, put them down below. I'll gladly answer them. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share this if it helped you. Also help us get our name out. If you guys want any merch, we have merch as well. Check out the link below. Also, I hope you have a good one. Peace.